Welcome to Alabama's Smart Yards. We're creating beautiful landscapes that protect natural environments. Today, Rhonda Britton will talk about rain barrels. They're an easy way to do your part in water conservation.
Installing a rain barrel is a smart choice for homeowners. Collecting rainwater is not only useful as a source to water outside plants and gardens, but also helps slow the stormwater runoff from your property. Building and installing a rain barrel takes only a few simple steps. First, start with a barrel that is either new or only had food-grade products such as olives, pickles, or syrup. You want to make sure the barrel is dark in color to keep algae from growing in it. Most rain barrels are 55 to 60 gallons in size. Next, purchase a half-inch spigot and drill a 3/4 inch hole into the barrel, approximately 6 inches from the bottom. Use the threads of the spigot to screw it into the barrel. Position a fiberglass screen over the top of the barrel and use the existing lid to screw it on. You can also secure the screen with a bungee cord. Then place the barrel up on concrete blocks or a structure that can hold up to 500 pounds in weight. You want to secure the barrel to your house or structure using a strap in case you have large animals that can tip the barrel over. There are several ways to direct water into the barrel. The easiest is to cut the downspout and fill it into the top, or you can purchase a diverter, catching water from the side of the downspout. 1 inch of rain on a 100 square foot roof can fill your rain barrel with water. Conserving water in our homes and reducing runoff in our environment is becoming more important as populations and urban areas increase.